Namaskar everyone. As I'm seeing people are joining in, so meanwhile, just settle yourself. Take natural breathing and make yourself relax. Sit in any comfortable position. You can sit in Sukhasana, Vajrasana, Half Padmasana, Padmasana, or the cross leg. Your back and neck must be straight. Your shoulders must be relaxed. Just roll up them and relax. Place your palms in Gyan Mudra on your knees. Close your eyes slowly. Take natural breathings. While inhalation, be prepared for today's yoga session mentally and physically. While exhalation, just relax yourself. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. Be aware about your body. Observe your breath and make an intention during the practice. I'll observe my body, my each posture, and will be aware for my body, my breathing. Exhale. Inhale. If any thoughts, worries are into your mind, let it go out through exhalation. Inhale. Observe your body, how it is feeling right now. Observe your body parts. Observe your body. Inhale and relax yourself. Natural breathing will continue. With 3 times Om chanting and Gayatri Mantra, we'll start our session. Take a deep breath. Again, take a deep breath. One more time, inhale. We'll start with Gayatri Mantra. Inhale. Om Bhuvasvaha Tatsavituर्वरेण्यं Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Namah Prachodayat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Bring your both the palms behind your back. Hold your right wrist with your left palm. Inhale and lengthen your spine. Exhale and bend forward. Try to touch floor with your forehead. Inhale and come up. Bring your palms in front of your face. While looking at your palms, open your eyes slowly and gently. Today we'll conduct the asanas for the constipation, the gas and the digestive system. These three are interconnected. If our digestive system will work properly, then we won't suffer the gastric issue or the acidity issue or the constipation issue. So we'll start with the asanas which we can replicate in our daily routine life and we can practice regularly at any time. So just you have to follow the sequence that how to perform it. So we'll start with the digestive system, because if our digestive system is good, then the constipation and then the gastric problems occurs. So we'll follow the sequence that how to do it. So starting with, I'll request everyone to switch on their video so that I can see you, because still many of videos are switched off. Okay. So from here we'll start the digestive system. For digestive system, in between I'll keep giving you some hints, tips also. After having your lunch, dinner or breakfast, a meal, you can sit for 15 minutes in a Vajrasana position. Yesterday also we have seen the Vajrasana is very good for the immune system as well as the digestive system also. So after having your lunch, any meal, you can sit in this posture for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Here we are sitting only for 30 minutes, but in your daily routine you can replicate this and you can follow this. This is for the digestive. So once you had your meal, you sit in this posture. Your toes must be you must be touching to the floor. Your back must be straight. Your fingers must be on your knees. Okay, like this. So entire body is straight. You can see my back is completely straight. So you have to sit in this posture. So you are ready. Let's start together. Sit in the Vajrasana position. This we are doing for the digestive. Okay, after having your meal, you can sit in this posture. Normally we say that after meal we do not perform any asana, but these are the asanas which we can perform after having a meal because they are good for digestive system. Bend your knees, sit on your heels. Your buttocks must be touching to the heels. Your toes must be flatten on the floor. Place your fingers, your palm on your knees. Your hand must be straight. Okay. You can close your eyes. Even when you are sitting at your home, you can open your eyes. You can keep open your eyes. Just be aware about your posture, and you can keep talking to your family members as well. So there is no worries for that thing. Let's hold this position. Normal breathing will continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30 and relax. Now from here we'll do the Yoga Mudra. In Yoga Mudra Asana, again you have to sit in this posture only. You have to bend forward while inhalation, lengthen your spine. Just have a look how to do it, then together we'll perform. Lengthen your spine with inhalation, then bend forward and exhale. Interlock your fingers and rise up. Touch the floor with your forehead. You would be sitting on your heels only. So this is the posture of the Yoga Mudra. While extending your hands, your palms are touching to each other. They should not be open like this. They must be touching to each other. Okay, let's start together. You are sitting in a Vajrasana position. Inhale and lengthen your spine. Exhale and bend forward. Very nice. Touch floor with your forehead. Ensure you are sitting on your heels only. If anyone is unable to touch floor, it is fine. Bend as much as you can do while sitting on your heels only. Okay? Then rise and up, extend your hands. Your palms are touching to each other. Fingers are interlocked. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30 and relax. So after meal, perform these asanas and you will have a good digestive system. Your food will digest easily. It will help it. Now from here we'll come to the constipation issue. That once we eat the food, then why it happens that हमें constipation का problem होता है. What is the constipation? When your food doesn't get digested properly, so for that we perform this asana, then we have some issue with the bowel clearance. So our bowels doesn't get clear, and many having the mindset that if we'll have something in morning like tea or the lukewarm water, then only it will help to clear. It is a mindset. I'm giving you one series of 5 asanas. We can practice that in regularly in early morning to clear our bowel system. And after a regular practice of 10-15 days, every mindset that after tea only this should not be there. You just have a water and your bowls will be cleared. So for that, what we have to do, take a look. In early morning, have a lukewarm water. While sitting in this posture, Utkatasana. This is the Utkatasana. Okay. If you are unable to sit on your toes, you can sit in this posture also, Malasana. And then while sitting this, ensure your back must be straight. It should not be hunched or curved. Okay. It must be straight. While sitting in this posture, have a glass of water. Okay. After having a glass of water, you can sit in this posture and we can go to the next asana. Sit in the Malasana position or the Utkatasana. In Utkatasana, you can sit like this on your toes. So we'll start with the first Malasana, then the Utkatasana. In Malasana position, you have to sit like this. Your feet must be apart. Okay. Now in sitting this posture, you can have a glass of water, 2 glass, 3 glass as per your capacity, lukewarm water. Okay. Now after sit this in this posture for 30 seconds, 1, 2, 3, ensure your back must be straight, it should not be hunched. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. So in 30 seconds or 1 minute, you can finish your water. Then after that, just walk up, just stand in your yoga mat or wherever you are having the water. After that, you have to perform in your feet must be staying together close as much as you can. Rise up your hands above the head, okay, and perform the Tadasana like this. Okay, so let's start together. We'll do for this 30 seconds and you have also performed for the 30 to 1 minute in your daily routine. Stand in your yoga mat. Your feet are touching to each other or close as much as you can. Rise up your hands above your head. Interlock your fingers and then stretch your body. Stand on your toes. Very nice. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. 1. Your eyes will remain open and sight must be in some unmoving point. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30 and relax. Now from here, after performing this asana, again we'll rise up our hand and we'll bend to right side for 30 seconds. While performing this asana, ensure your hands must be straight. You will feel a complete stretch on your sides. Okay, let's start. If you want, you can keep a gap between your feet also if you are uncomfortable while touching each other. Okay, let's start together. Your palms are on your thighs. Then risen up your hands above your head. Interlock your fingers and turn around. Palms are facing to sky. Then bend to right side as much as you can do. Very nice. Keep doing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30 and center. And from here we'll go to left side. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30 and relax. Now from here we'll go to Kati Chakrasana. In the Kati Chakrasana, you have to keep a gap between your feet, one shoulder line gap between your feet. Then from here, place your left hand on your back like this. Fingers must be well spreaded and your right hand here. So it will keep changing and will take turn also like this. Okay. So while moving, when your left hand is this side, so you'll move to the right side and the opposite side. Okay. So let's start together. Keep a shoulder length distance between your feet. Place your left hand on your back, lower back, and right hand on your chest, near to shoulder. Now look at to the left side. 1, 2. This will do dynamic. 3, 4. Breathing would be normal. 5, 6, 7, 8. Very nice. 9, 10, 11, 12. Very nice. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Twist your complete body. 1, 2. Even we are doing dynamic, but you have to feel the pressure while moving your body like this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and relax. So these are the asanas. If after in the morning after once we woke up, we have 2, 3, 1 glass to start with. We can start with the 1 glass, and the people who are already having the water, they can continue with 2 or 3 glass or the 4 glass. So start this practice while sitting in this posture. Why we have to drink a water in this posture? As I said earlier also, here is a one wall, so that wall get open if we sit in this posture, so that water directly go to our stomach. Instead of following the entire process, it directly goes to our stomach. So from stomach, then we'll perform all these asanas. So automatically pressure will build up and our stomach will get clear. Anyone having the constipation issue, I request everyone to them to practice it regularly and they will see the difference. So after this basic asanas, now we'll come to the gas. For the gas, why it happens and what are the asanas which you can perform at time of the gastric issues. So for that, we'll start with the Pawan Muktasan series. Supta Pawan Muktasan. For that, you have to lie down on your yoga mat. Have a look how to perform, then together we'll do it. In this posture, we are lying down, our feet are together. Palms just beside your thighs. Now from here, we'll start with the one leg and then both the legs. So whenever we feel that we have the gas issue, we can perform these asanas and you will get a big relief. Bend your right foot from knee. Bring it to closer to your chest area. Interlock with your finger and bring as much close you can. Your left foot must be active. And from here, just try to touch your knee with your nose. While performing this asana, if anyone having the cervical issue or the epilepsy, they can rest like this. Just give pressure. Just try to bring your knee closer to your chest area. Okay? And your left foot must be active. Let's start together. Lie down on your yoga mats. Place your palms beside your thighs. Bend your right foot from knee. Bring your thigh on your stomach and knee close to your chest area. Interlock your fingers and hold your right shin, right leg. Now from here, raisen up your face, neck and try to touch your right knee. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Self-counting start. If anyone having this heavy stomach, so they can perform like this, but do as much as you can do. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and relax. Now we'll do same from the left leg. Bend your left foot from knee. Bring it closer to your chest area. Hold it with your fingers. Interlock your fingers. Then move like this. Your right foot must be active. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30 and relax. Very nice. Now we'll do from both the legs. So bend your both the legs from knee. Bring them closer to your chest area. Interlock your fingers and hold your legs with your hand. Now again raisen up your neck and head and close to your knees. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. If anyone having this stomach or the belly fat, so they have a look how to perform it. Hold your toes and bring closer to your chest area like this. Okay, let's start together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. Keep doing it. Hold for 20 seconds more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, and relax. Now from here we'll perform the Ashwasana. In Ashwasana, the way we squeeze our clothes, when we are washing the clothes, when we squeeze our clothes, in the similar way, our body get be squeezed. So take a look how to perform this asana. You are lying down in your yoga mat. Bend your left foot, okay? And your right foot as well. Now where your left heel is, you have to touch your right knee with your left heel like this, okay? And then straight Raisin up your hand in line with the shoulder. Then look at the right side and touch your chin to your right shoulder. And then we'll repeat same from the left side. So let's start together. Bend your both the knees. Raisin up your hands in line to shoulders. Fingers must be well spreaded. Then bend your right knee, right leg. Try to touch left feet heel with your right knee. Then look at the right side and touch your chin with your right shoulder. 1, hold this position. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Now same will repeat from the left side. Bend your left foot and try to touch heel of your right foot. Very nice. And look at the left side. Your chin must be touching to your shoulder, left shoulder. Hold this posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Hopefully you will have feel the pressure in entire body, the squeezeness that your body is getting squeezed. Hopefully you all have felt that pressure. Now from here we'll go to the Aswasana variation only. In this posture, again you will raisin up your hands like this, parallel to your shoulder line. Bend your both the knees and bring them closer to your chest area, your stomach, okay? Now from here we'll bend to the left side and look at the right side. While bending, your hands must be on floor, your knees must be closer, and knees must be, your left knee must be touching to the floor, okay? Let's start together. Bend your knees, bring them closer to your chest area like this. You can take a support of that. Once it is placed, place your hand in line with your shoulder line on floor. Fingers must be well spreaded. Now from here, bend to the left side. While bending to the left side, ensure this area must be as is. When you are placing like here, and while bending also, this gap should be remain same. Now look at your right side. Again, touch your chin to your right shoulder. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30 and relax. Now from here we'll go to the right side. Bend your both the knees. Bring to closer to your chest area. Your stomach is covered. Then move to right side, and neck and head must be at left side. Your chin must be touching to the left shoulder. Very nice. Hold this posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Your right knee must be touching to the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and relax. Take 3 natural breathing and then we'll go to the next asana. You relax yourself and have a look how to perform the next asana of the Ashwasana variation 3. In this asana, again we'll bend our knees, and while bending our knees, ensure your heels are touching to your hips like this. Okay, there must be no gap. Thighs are also touching to each other, knees are close to each other, even your feet also. Again, you place your hand parallel to your shoulder line and move to the left side. While moving to the left side, ensure again your hips are in line. The posture should not be changed, and your head and neck must be at right side. Your chin is touching to your right shoulder. Okay, so let's start together. Very nice. Bend your knees. Hands must be parallel to shoulder line. Your heels are touching to your hips. Both the feet, knees and thighs are close to each other. Now from here, bend to the left side. And head and neck move to right side. While bending to the right side, your chin is touching to your right shoulder and your left thigh and knee is touching to the floor. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30 and relax. Now we'll repeat same from the right side. Check your position. The gap should be there. There should not be any gap. Okay. Now again place your hands in line to shoulder. Then move to the right side. While moving to the right side, ensure your right knee and thigh is touching to the floor. Move your right head and neck towards left side. touch your chin to the left shoulder. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30 and relax. Now from here, take a turn to your right side, take a support of your left hand. And then after that, we'll sit in the, still if you feel that you're having a gastric issue, then again we'll sit in the actual Malasana posture. In the Malasana posture, you have to sit on your feet. Between your knees, you'll place your elbows. Your elbows are inside your knees. Your hand must be Namaskara Mudra like this. And your back must be straight. It should not be hunched like this. Your back should not be like this. It must be straight. Your head and entire back must be in line. Okay? Hold this posture for 30 seconds. Your side must be on floor. 1, 2, 3, very nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, very nice. 6, 7, 8, 9, 30 and relax. From here, we'll go to this asana. In this, your back must be parallel to floor. Okay, and neck must be dropped a little. You would be looking at downside, not this straight. Okay, so let's start together. Sit in the Malasana posture. Very nice. Your elbows must be inside the knees, not the outer side. It must be inside your knees. Okay, and from you, if you want, you can make a more gap between your feet, but sit in comfortably. Then risen up your buttocks parallel to your back. Very nice. And hold this posture. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very nice. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and relax. So these are the asanas which you can perform for the digestive system, your gastric issue or the constipation. I request if any one of you having these issues, start following this asana, implement these asanas in your regular routine and you will see a difference, a huge difference after 15-20 days. So let's start to, now we'll start with the pranayama. For pranayama, sit in any comfortable position. You can sit in again Vajrasana or the Sukhasana. Sit comfortably. We'll do the natural breathing with awareness. And then Kumbhak. Kumbhak means the holding your breathing. The retention of your breathing is called as a Kumbhak. Place your palms on your knees. Back must be straight. Neck must be straight. Shoulders must be relaxed. The natural breathing is what you take regularly. Close your eyes slowly. Be aware about your breathing. Observe your inhalation and exhalation. Observe from which nostril you are taking inhalation and from which nostril is this exhalation. Observe your entire breathing. Feel the breathing that you are inhaling a fresh air while touching to your nostril, it is going to your windpipe and from there spreading that breath in entire body. With closed eyes, you can visualize your breathing. There would be no sound of your breathing, only you can hear. Because normally when we take breathing, it's a very soundless. Even we can't listen it. But with closed eyes, you can see your breathing. Very nice. Now we'll do the Kumbhak. Inhale and hold your breathing for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale. Hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Hold your breathing for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and exhale. Hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Hold for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And exhale. Hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now keep taking natural breathing. Be aware about your breathing, your inhalation and exhalation. See the sequence, see the length of your breathing. Observe all that. With inhalation, feel the positive effect of today's yoga practice in your digestive system. Exhale. If during the practice you felt any pain or stress, let it go out through exhalation.